ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. This is our Weather Xtreme video for Tuesday afternoon, the 13th day of May. After a sunny start, some high clouds have slipped into the state this afternoon. Let's take a look. Here's the Skycam shot. First off, coming from Hamilton up in northwest Alabama, we've got a mid-level overcast there. Those clouds up at about 10,000 feet, 10 to 15,000 feet. Jasper, the same sky there, mostly cloudy. And over on the eastern side of the state, some high clouds over at Mount Cheahaw. And what's the deal? Well, we've got some convection that's flared over Mississippi, and high clouds from that have moved in here. We've got the big trough way back over the southwest United States. The main dynamic still a way out there. There's a look at the radar as of 1:48. You can see rain falling over parts of eastern Mississippi, and some of that is over in Alabama on radar, but it's unlikely that that's reaching the ground. The dew points are in the 40s. We got very dry air below 5,000 feet, so I'd say it's very unlikely we see any raindrops tonight. But having said that, we'll keep an eye on that. Looky here, moderate risk of severe weather for the rest of this afternoon and tonight across parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and western Arkansas. That will include Dallas, Tulsa, Fort Smith, and Fayetteville. And there's a look at the first tornado watch of the day, including that general area there from Waco, Texas, on up into eastern Oklahoma. Places like McAllister and Paris, Texas are involved in that, McAllister, Oklahoma. Day 2 tomorrow, we've got a slight risk of severe weather across much of Texas, the eastern half of Texas, eastern two-thirds of Texas, all of Louisiana, most of Mississippi, much of Arkansas, and South Oklahoma. And on day 3, that risk moves on in here. The risk on Thursday includes all of Alabama, and basically areas all the way from Houston, Texas, to Macon, Georgia. And the rain should be pretty good. This latest run of the latest QPF chart is backed off a little bit, and that's probably wise, I think. This jives up now with modeling pretty well. This is suggesting 1 to 2 inches of rain here, with the heavier rains from the Red River of Texas up to Memphis. Maybe some 4.5-inch totals there over Arkansas. And what a year it's been for rain for those folks. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. We've got the trough over New Mexico and West Texas. One vortmax coming out ahead of that over the Mississippi Delta. And it looks like a warm front will be lifting north through the day. So we'll mention the chance of a shower or storm tomorrow, but it could be the better chance of showers shifting to the north of here by mid to late afternoon as the warm front moves northward. The most organized showers and storms tomorrow should be west of here. Thursday, you can see a chunk of the shortwave lifts up through Missouri. A little bit of it hangs back over the southwest United States, and at the surface on Thursday, a surface low now shows up northwest of Memphis with a trailing front, and that looks like a day with showers and thunderstorms. What about the chance of severe weather? Well, here's the instability values on Thursday, and they're marginal. Doesn't blow your socks off. That's suggesting surface-based capes of 500 to 1,000 joules. A few spots over 1,000 over West Alabama. And the helicity, not bad. In fact, the numbers have come up on this run. The number is over 200 to 250 there. That's 0 to 3 kilometer helicity. So, some of the ingredients are there. We'll see how it plays out on the mesoscale. Again, I don't think it's going to be a red letter day, but it should be an active weather day. And then Friday, that little bit of the trough that's hanging back over the southwest kind of drifts back toward the Gulf of California and has no impact. And the main trough moves on to the east. And at the surface on Friday, the winds go north and the showers and storms shift on down to the south. And if this trend keeps up, we can almost begin to think about taking out the chance of rain Friday. Not ready to do that yet. We'll mention the chance of a lingering shower, but no doubt the better chance will be south of here. Saturday looks beautiful. Nice day, sunny and pleasant, highs between 75 and 80. Sunday, you can see a vortex developing over the northeast United States. That's cold looking up there with a northwest flow aloft. And again, some evidence of disturbed weather in that northwest flow, and you can see there's hint of maybe a few sprinkles or a few patches of light rain on Sunday. Not ready to go there yet and mention that. We'll just say partly sunny for now. Monday of next week, weather looks dry and cool for May. And then Tuesday, another vortmax comes around, sharpening that eastern U.S. trough, and that's suggesting a cold front coming through here with a chance of showers, but moisture very limited with that. and that will bring a reinforcing surge of cooler air. So maybe a few showers we'll need to mention Monday night or Tuesday with the front, but it doesn't look like a big rain producer. Let's go out 7 more days. May 27th, you talk about mottled madness. One run, you've got a deep trough over the east. The next run, you've got that. A summer 588 circle sitting over Alabama. That looks warm, maybe low 90s. Hot and muggy almost, and at the surface, kind of, the chance of scattered afternoon showers and storms. You know that deal. So I think that's probably the better of the two solutions. Having a deep trough over the east, it's possible in late May, but that solution there might be the more reasonable solution. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 7 a.m. tomorrow. And we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.